Sure. I'm feeling Abuja. Abuja is plenty, man. I love Abuja. It's plenty. Abuja Airlines, it's plenty. HK, Holy King TV. Oh yeah. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. It's plenty. Channel of Lagos. Man, it choke, bro. But I will just have fun today. I just fun. It's all about fun, man. You understand, bro? It's plenty, bro.
Hi guys, it's still on that exclusive moment with Kings. I tell you today it's all about convoy driving, and I tell you to carries. I tell you we left Central Park and here we are at Gwarimpa now and we're still moving. I tell you at this Salah period we're really having fun. It's fun. Guys, I tell you if you're not here, you're really missing. The world wanna meet you.
Yeah, what's up? I'm Pharaoh's Hound Tattoos. I'm a tattoo artist, a biker. You know what we do? We just here have fun with a lot of Lagos. It's always a good time to have vehicles out, you know, everybody just having fun, and we're doing what we know how to do best. And I'm here representing the bikers also, you know. One or two bikes must be involved, you already know.
Yes. So are you really having fun today?
We're having fun. It's a holiday. I mean, what best way to celebrate the holiday? We have had some good music, some good food. We have had games, you know, and we're out here. We're just riding on the road, and soon we'll be out to our next location.
Thank you very much. Nice having you here. Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Abuja Elite. Stay tuned.
Abuja is Okpo.
Okpa is plenty, guys.
See, Abuja boys dey piro. We dey paro. See, we wan let the Lagos people know say it dey happen for Abuja.
Yes,
Okpo.
yeah.
It's plenty.
Everything
dey sup for here. You are speak with real one. Everywhere show.